Christian Harris here. I'm with Chris Kellis, one half of the Corbo Kellis Group. It seems over the past couple of years, I've been asking Chris this question probably on a weekly basis, but I want to ask him about the real estate market in the GTA. It's been an interesting ride. Chris has been doing this for over 32 years, and he's seen it all, the ups and downs. We seem to be, Chris, going into, last year was an interesting year for people trying to buy a home. It was a fun year for people selling for the most part. We seem to be going into a bit of a change, which a lot of us haven't seen. Even in my 22 years, it's kind of gone up, and now we're starting to see the other side a bit. What's going to happen in 2018? I saw 17 very frustrating for people trying to buy, very rewarding for people who were selling. What is 18 looking like, and what advice are you giving to someone who is looking to buy, like our VIP clients?
Well, it's interesting. To date, there's only been 440 odd sales in the GTA of freehold townhouses and homes, so there isn't a lot of activity, and that entails that you should be out there looking at stuff now, and having a professional help you with that decision-making process is so important in this day and age. They're the ones that are in tune with what's going on with the marketplace. They have the relationships with mortgage people like Christian to make your transition smoother and your buying decisions that much stronger. So it's a great time to buy, and remember, you're buying and you're doing this in a marketplace that's going to have tremendous amount of growth with immigration, and there's a great demand to be in this city. So it's a great time to buy. Hook yourself up with the best people possible to make those decisions that much better.
Even if we're in a bit of a lull now, it's not like it's going to be a dip. It's just a lull, and the long-term forecast is the GTA real estate's always going to be a good investment. But as you've said before, it's not just an investment; it's a place to live.
Yeah, we always look at investments on a daily basis, and that's the wrong way to take it. A home is a 10-year investment. You're buying there for reasons of location, schools, transit, whatever have you. And in the 10-year play, you're always way ahead, and that's historical through 200 years of real estate in Toronto. So
if you have any questions on real estate, you can give us a call. We'll direct you over to the Corbo Kellis team. But if you're looking to do something this year, give us a call and we can sit down and hopefully you can guide them through these murky waters. Thank you.